Let's do it right now. I was going to hold off for a minute, but because you're making this point so strongly, you bought more Amazon, for example.
Yeah,
the mega caps have gotten obviously crushed, even more so in all of this. Amazon's 28% off of its high.
Right.
You do have some target cuts today, by the way, for Amazon and some of these other names, but tell me more about this.
Yeah, well, so if tariffs are the big issue, and we understand that if you're selling multiple items, every single one of them is going to face a tariff. But for Amazon, they make their money by the dollar amount that they sell. And that dollar amount may not change. It can continue to go up. It's a different mathematical strategy on how they earn their profits. And so 28% down, and we think that they will make the numbers. They will continue to gain market share. And yes, tariffs will hurt. Some of these are unsustainable, or they will move the source of production. But this to us was an opportunity, and the price at which we felt it was an attractive buy.
Josh, what do you think of that real quick?
I like it. I bought some Amazon on Friday. I called in and told you guys, anytime that name is in a 30% drawdown and there's no real fundamental problem with what the company is doing and it's more of a macro issue, that's where I think you say to yourself, look, I don't need for this to be the absolute lowest price. I just need to feel confident that this is a good price, and regardless of how long it takes, I will be justified in having added to it. So it's a core position. What I'm not doing is saying, this is it, I'm buying it, market's going to rally.
No.
What is it up today? 900 points on Monday, and I'm going to get out. That's not what I'm doing there.
Right. Target did get cut to 220 from 270. Overweight still, though, Jay, at JPM. These stocks have come down a lot, and you know, you got to believe that at some point people are going to think enough is enough,
right.
At least tactically.
100% and 30% off the 52-week high, I think, is a significant number. To Josh's point, nothing's really wrong with the business. And you know, the other thing I always focus on is AWS is the largest Kyle player in the business, and they have been accelerating growth over the last couple of quarters. So I continue to like that, and also operational margins have continued to grow over the last few quarters. So I think their business is really in a solid place.